Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Trust wallet to your bank account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see right now, we have the application right here. We have some deposited money. Now for the best method with the least amount of fees, we're going to use an application called Swissborg. Swissborg is an amazing wallet that has the least amount of fees and makes all your transactions much easier. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps, and then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Now, once you have launched your Swissborg account and deposited some money, all you have to do is to go to the portfolio, and then from here you're going to click on deposit, and then crypto transfer. Select whatever that you want to deposit, so for example Solana, click I understand, copy this, and go back, and then from here you're going to go to the Trust wallet, click on send, proceed anyways, click on Solana, and then paste your address and the amount that you would like, and the memo if you have anything to keep this with, and that's pretty much it. And then you click next and deposit it, and it will send directly to the Swissborg wallet. Now once you go back to your Swissborg wallet and you have your money, it's very easy. All you have to do is go to the portfolio, exchange it back to either Euro or USD from Solana or any cryptocurrency that you have, and then go to Euros. And then from here, going to click on withdraw, and then add bank account. Click the bank account country, select whatever country you might like. So for example, Hungary. Click on next, and then you have all the information that you will have. And then that's pretty much it. You deposit and you have the money in your bank account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.